Hello everybody. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how we can create a comparison table. I'm going to show you this quickly, how it's going to look like. It's a classic comparison table. We have here our columns and rows, and we can basically customize all the styles and all the labels. We have, for example, here in the section settings, our future labels, the ingredients. We can update this at any time. When I delete this, you can see here it's changing directly, and the same for all of these 5 rows. We can increase or decrease the amount of columns by simply adding more of these product flows columns. Then we have here some styling tables, like accent the highlights, for example. We can here change the outer layer where basically our product is located. We can move this up and front by simply highlighting it or moving around. We have the possibility to change the color of the section background and the table, the inner background as well, for example, like this. Then we can change the corner radius. You see here now it's getting more round, or it's getting completely squared. Then we have the possibility to add shadow, soft, non-soft, medium, and strong. For example, if I'm adding strong and taking out the background color, you can see here we have some more shadow. Then we have the divider color. This is the inner color here. You can see here, and we can add more thickness to this divider color. You can see here. Then we have here the possibility to change a little bit the spacing. When I go, you can see now how the padding is getting reduced or increased. Same for here and here. Then we have the product name, the font size for the product name. You can see here now this is getting higher or lower. Then we have here label font size. This would be the outer one, rows. And for also the cell font size for inside. Here now, and super small. Yeah. Then we have label transformation. There we have none or uppercase. Now you can see that all of the column labels are getting uppercase. Then primary text color, can change that too. Would be here for the rows and columns. Also for the secondary, we have this would be inside. So we have here like this. Whoa, that's too much. Let's keep it like this. And then we have row styling. Zebra stripes is right now like you can see here that every second has like a different styling, yeah, or is highlighted basically. Yeah, this we can do and turn on and off and change the color. Then we have a highlight for the, as you can see, we have here like a highlight column. Yeah, so we can turn on and off, or not turn on and off, but change it between only the border or whole section, and change the color of the section. This yeah. So as you can see, this is fully customizable from perspective of your branding and how you want it to look like. And That makes it very, very unique and adaptive. And now I want to show you what you can also do inside of each of these columns. First, you can rename them the same way here. Then you can add a product image. This, you see that this is a new product image. We can highlight also this column, or each of the columns we can highlight. So here was ticked already. Now let's tick the first one. Then we have here the values, yeah, for each row. Yeah, and that's basically what you can do with this comparison table. And it's very easy for you to integrate a new theme in any theme for all premiums, for all basic theme, that doesn't matter. The way to do it is basically open the link in the description and then go to this Word document and follow this the guideline. Yeah. First things first is open your theme editor. This is you can do when you go to your theme where you want to integrate it. Click the three dots. Click Edit Code. Then go back to the file. Look for the section settings. It's going to load a little bit. Go here, click on this. Then it will open all the sections for all your code. Then basically click here on Add New File and let's call it Custom Comparison Table dot liquid and hit enter. Like this, you have it open directly. Then you can go again to the Word document and copy everything from here, all the code. So copy it, go back to your file, paste it, and hit the save button, and that's it. Now you can go back to your theme, to your customizer, and there you will find it. Okay, thanks a lot. Have a good day.